On bonfire night, thousands of feral children gather on dark wastelands, but they just don't know how bloody dangerous it really is. Penny for the guy, it's a ticking time bomb of stranger danger. Bloody dangerous. Sparklers. Innocent, you might think, but they burn 5 times hotter than the sun. Sparklers are bloody dangerous. And fireworks, you think you're safe. Fireworks are bloody dangerous. The bonfire itself, made with old shed doors, pallets and tires, bonfires are bloody dangerous. Stay back, stay safe, and stop your children being bloody dangerous.